friends, it's Jen Barron from the Barron Book Nook, back on day 2 of our 5-day series this week on engineering books that Usborne Books and More has to offer. So as I mentioned yesterday, today I wanted to talk quickly about one more of our Lift the Flap books. This one is the Lift the Flap engineering book. This book's also $14.99 and it's great for kids about 7 and up. And just like yesterday, it has lots of full-size, colorful pages with lots of little flaps to discover on all sorts of engineering-related topics. So this book walks through, one thing I really love is that it walks through right from the beginning. It talks about what an engineer does. They ask questions, they imagine solutions, they design things, move into testing, and eventually build whatever it is that the solution that they're coming up with. Which I think is just great to get kids thinking about how these things all relate together. So this book focuses on things like aerospace engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, robotics engineering, and my favorite, civil engineering. And you can see here lots of just really great flaps and little tidbits of great information. So one of my favorite things about our Lift the Flap books is that many of them take really big, overwhelming topics and concepts like the human body or like mechanical engineering, which is like a huge thing in itself, right? And it breaks it down into small bite-sized pieces that make sense to kids so that they can start to kind of work through these big concepts. So for example, on our mechanical engineering, the page in this book, it takes things like a bicycle and it breaks it down into all the little pieces that go into it, like gears, and they talk about pulleys and levers, and they talk about down here how friction works with this whole system. And it's just a really great interactive way for kids to learn some big overwhelming topics that are complex. So my girls and I have sat for long minutes reading through books like these because there's just so much to keep interacting with and exploring as you're reading through, which is a ton of fun. And it kind of makes every time you read the book, you discover something new, which is, it just keeps kids really engaged. So that's it for today. I just wanted to show this one more Lift the Flap book. Come on back tomorrow for a little bit more information on engineering and science related stuff in honor of Maine Engineers Week. But before we go, in the meantime, just for fun, drop in the comments section below, can you remember all 6 simple machines that we learned about a long time ago for a lot of us? But do you remember all 6 of them? So let me know in the comments below, and tomorrow I'll be back with the answer. Have a great day.